What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited. I feel like I haven't done a full restock in such a long time. Well, since Black Friday for sure. But I'm so excited to be back. We are doing 13% off of all slime for Friday the 13th, and you are also guaranteed delivery by USPS to get it before Christmas. So that is good as well. I think the cutoff is the 20th of this month. So make sure that you place your orders before then so that way we can get them shipped out on time for you. So if you have any gifts or anything that you're wanting to give slime for, you can get it before Christmas. Also, we are selling mystery boxes for the first time. I have one of the mystery boxes prepared here so that I can kind of show you all. The only thing I'm not going to show you is the exact slime that's in it because it's supposed to be a mystery and each one is going to be different, obviously, and they're not a slime that you can actually get in the restock or any restock. They're all exclusive slimes, and this box, since it is close to Christmas time, it is going to be Christmas/winter themed. So inside of the box, you get 3 6-ounce slimes, 1 4-ounce slime. You get a cute little candy cane pen. It's actually scented like candy canes as well. And then you also get a box of Daiso clay, a bottle of Elmer's school glue, or not school glue, it's just a random bottle of Elmer's glue actually. So you can get metallic glue, glitter glue, or anything like that. And then you also get a candy bag as well. And inside the candy bag, of course, is candy. And then a Unicorn Slime Shop / JosephAnthonii wristband as well to go along with it. I don't want to spoil the surprise for the slime, so I'm not going to show them to you, but I will tell you what the textures are. So for the 6 ounces, we have one foam. We also have a icy slime, which is our new and improved icy texture. And there's also a jelly / bingsu bead hybrid slime in there as well. And the 4-ounce slime is going to be a DIY clay slime. I almost forgot to mention, if you're wanting a Christmas slime package, you are unfortunately going to have to order it separately, meaning you can't order another slime like Chanel No. 2 or Baja Blast and combine it together. The only reason is for that, we want to just keep the shipping cost as low as possible. If we add anything more to this box, since it's like so jam-packed, it's going to cost a lot and it might even break. Of course, we bubble wrap everything and protect everything, but we can't guarantee, you know, that everything's going to get there as safe as possible if the box is so crowded. So we just want to make sure that everything gets safely to you and you are paying the lowest shipping cost possible. So yeah, when you go to check out with the box, there's going to be an option that says mystery slime box. You'll click that to check out. Alrighty, now on to the restock slime. So this one here you all know and love. This is Chanel No. 2, my #1 bestseller. It is a very thick and glossy bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. As you can see, the gloss is just amazing in really any kind of lighting, and it's just a really nice intro slime basically. So if you're new to slime, you're gonna love this one because it doesn't really stick to you, it doesn't melt either, so it's like the perfect slime to just play with and not even think about it. It's really nice and very low maintenance, so I would definitely suggest that you snatch this one as well. Christmas Barf Crunch definitely has a weird name, but I love this slime so much. When I first made it, I just thought that Christmas kind of threw up all over a slime, so that's kind of why I named it that. It's basically a green metallic slime scented like apple dumplings, which smells amazing, almost like apple pie. And then it has a bunch of these large foam beads in there that are covered in glitter. It's super cute. They almost look like Christmas ornaments. It's super fun to play with, and the beads aren't too big to where it makes it awkward to play with slime. I just love it so much. The bubble pops are unreal. Christmas Cookies is a DIY clay slime. It actually comes with one 8-ounce school glue base slime that's scented just like Christmas cookies, and then in a separate container you also have 2 clay cookies. One is a sugar cookie with blue and yellow sprinkles, and then the other one is a cute little gingerbread man. They're gonna have different like facial expressions and things like that, so yours is gonna look exactly like that. But basically this is a DIY clay slime. It's super nice. The base is super good and very perfect for clay. And yeah, that's basically all you need to know. I mean, this is a great slime. It smells like cookies, and it's super fun to mix, and I think the cookies are so cute. We really outdid ourselves this time, I think. Starbursts Gloss is definitely one of my favorites for this restock. If you like Peppermint Gloss from the last Cyber Monday restock, then you're probably gonna love this one. It's scented just like Starburst candies, like strawberry, orange, and lemon. It smells really, really good. I love how vibrant the colors are. They're borderline neon, and I really love that. It's super, super glossy. The texture of it is, I would say, a glossy, thickly slime. It's very thick, however, it has more of a jiggle to it. It's not like Chanel thick. It does definitely have a little bit more of a jiggle, and it's a little bit like more slow stretching, but I really love how glossy it comes out, and it's just so good. It smells amazing as well, and when you mix it together, it's like this deep coral kind of color. I love it. Baja Blast is my second bestseller in the shop. We actually just revamped this texture, so it's a lot more fluffy, and I love it so much. It's scented just like a Baja Blast soda. So if you've never had Baja Blast soda, it's basically just like a tropical version of Mountain Dew. It's really, really nice. You can get it at Taco Bell. I just love how this fluffs up now. It's just amazing. It still has those great baby drizzles, and it's just really fun. It's like a mixture between an icy slime and like a cloud dough. It's great. Cranberry Cake Crumbs is a slime I was super excited to make. It is a DIY butter slushy, and it comes with this 1.5 ounce container of red pigmented clear slime. So it's red, but it also has like a iridescent kind of pink shift to it. It's really pretty. So basically this slime here is scented just like cranberry cake, and it smells really, really good. You get to top it off yourself with that clear slime, just like I am doing here. I went ahead and just made a cool little design just so that y'all can see the possibilities of this slime. As you can see, it's beautiful. There are red foam beads at the bottom of the slime as well, just to kind of represent cranberries. You can either get like large foam beads or small foam beads because we did like a mixture of them. Yeah, and I love it so much. It makes the slime super creamy with that clay on top that you get to mix in yourself. It's super, super fun. Sugar plum jelly is another one of my favorites. It's Restock. Y'all know that I love to do jelly slimes, and no caps, or I don't want to sound cocky or anything, but my jelly slimes are my favorite jelly slimes that I've ever felt. Honestly, I love them so much. So this one here is lightly scented, just like sugar plum. It smells really, really nice and sweet. It's got a bunch of add-ins, so there are like just a mixture of like sprinkles. There's also some pom-poms in there and some heart foam pieces. It just looks super cute. There's glitter as well, of course, because the sugar plum fairy can't have anything but glitter. And yeah, it's just a really beautiful slime. I love it so much. I love the frosted purple look. It's just super cute. Peppermint Bark Marshmallow is another new slime to the shop. This one is super pillowy, soft, and creamy. It is a clay slime. So this one has a bunch of add-ins as well. There are like chocolate chips, there's white sprinkles, there are candy cane pieces, there's also some red foam, it's red clay chunks. And yeah, it's scented like peppermint bark. It's super fun to play with. Like I said, it's very nice and creamy and soft, and I love it. Reese's peanut butter ice cream is a slime that I've dreamt of for so long, and we got the Reese's peanut butter scent, so I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and make it. So it is basically a slime that has jelly slime and a buttercream slime, which is like a mixture between a butter and a cloud cream, kind of swirled in a container together, so it kind of looks like ice cream. It's scented just like Reese's peanut butter cups. It smells so good. I love it a lot. It's super fun to play with. It's not as clay heavy as like one of my other buttercreams, like maybe Mud Mask. But it does have like clay and instant snow in it, and of course that jelly slime has instant snow in it, so it's just really fun. It definitely inflates, and it's just really fun to play with. Now the last two slimes are slimes that we have stocked in the shop before. This one here is 8-bit alien, and it's kind of like to represent the little alien emoji that we have. That's like 8-bit character. It's super cute. So it is a purple to blue color shifting milky clear slime base with purple and black foam beads, and it's scented just like sugary lollipops. It smells really good. And another alien themed slime. This is called Alien Cotton Candy. It is a glow-in-the-dark two-tone color slime. It's scented just like cotton candy and fluffy pink candy, because there is a difference. It's super nice. The texture is like a clear slime and like a white glue slime kind of together. It's really cool, and it glows in the dark. Alrighty, y'all, well that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget, if you want to get these slimes as a Christmas gift or for someone as a Christmas gift or any type of gift and you want it before Christmas, make sure to order ASAP. That way we can get them shipped out to you before the 20th. That way you can receive them before Christmas and get it as a gift. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!